We have already discussed the limit. Now we discuss what is the left hand side limit and what is the right hand side limit. In ordinary language, when x approaches to a from the left implies fx minus L mod is less than epsilon, then we say that L is the left hand limit of this function fx at x is equal to a. That means x moves from a minus delta to a. This when x may here, x minus a mod is less than delta implies fx minus L mod is less than epsilon. Then we say that L is called the left hand limit of fx when x approaches to a. Similarly, the right hand side limit, when x approaches to a from the right of a, this is called right hand side limit. We write it as limit x tends to a plus fx equal to L. If given epsilon greater than 0, there exists a delta greater than 0 such that a less than x less than delta implies fx minus L mod is less than epsilon. That means x moves in a to a plus delta. At that time, if fx minus L mod is less than epsilon, then this limit is called the right hand side limit and this limit is called the left hand side limit. A limit exists at a point if and only if the left hand side limit exists and the right hand side limit exists and they are also equal. In that case, we say that a limit exists. That means a limit exists if and only if the left hand side limit exists, the right hand side limit exists and they are also equals. The relation between the left hand limit and the right hand side limit. If the limit exists, then the left hand side limit exists, the right hand side limit exists, and they are also coincide. If the left hand side limit exists, the right hand side limit exists, and they are equal, then we declare that the limit exists at that point. That means limit x tends to fx equal to L if and only if. Number one, the left hand side limit exists, means that a sthiti achi. Suppose that is equal to L. Second, the right hand side limit exists, that is equal to L. And the left hand side limit is equal to the right hand side limit exists. Then we say that limit exists. That means limit x tends to fx equal to L if and only if the left hand side limit equal to L, the right hand side limit is also equal to L. If the left hand side limit is not equal to the right hand side limit, the limit does not exist. This is the relation between left hand side limit, right hand side limit and general limit. What is the working rule to find out the left hand limit and the right hand limit of a function? Is there any guarantee the left hand side limit always equal to the right hand side limit? That may or may not. In some examples, gives that the left hand side limit is equal to right hand side limit. There are also some examples will provide the left hand limit is not equal to the right hand side limit. That means in that case the limit does not exist.